In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish and schedule a workflow in Tableau, and we'll walk through this process step by step. Whether you're new to Tableau or just need a refresher, by the end of this session, you'll be comfortable completing these tasks in just a few minutes. Let's start by heading over to Tableau's website, a leading platform in business intelligence and analytics. Simply open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Tableau homepage. Once you land there, the first thing you'll want to do is sign in to your Tableau account. Look for the Sign In button, which you'll typically find in the top right corner of the page. Click it and then enter your login credentials. After you've successfully signed in, you'll be directed to Tableau Home. This is the main hub where you can manage your analytics, visualize your data, and access various features. Now, on the homepage, we're going to focus on navigating to your personal space. This area is crucial as it contains all your personal content and any projects you're working on. At the top of the interface, locate and click on Personal Space. Once you're in your personal space, you'll see a list of your available workbooks. Take a moment here to find and select the workbook you wish to publish. It's helpful to be organized. So if you have many workbooks, consider using the search function or filtering tools if they're available. With your workbook selected, you're just a step away from publishing. Look for the Publish option, which is usually within the top menu or accessible from a drop-down menu linked to your workbook. Clicking Publish triggers a dialog box that allows you to set various publishing options. These options will typically include setting permissions, determining data source connections, and deciding who can view or interact with your workbook. Make sure to review these settings carefully to ensure they align with your goals for work distribution and accessibility. Once you've reviewed these settings and feel satisfied, go ahead and confirm your publishing. This action will make your workbook available to your designated audience, letting them access and interact with the insights you've created. Now, scheduling the workflow happens as you set clearly defined times for Tableau to automatically refresh your published data. By doing this, your insights remain consistently up to date without manual intervention. Generally, you'll find schedule settings nearby or within your workbook options, and they allow for daily, weekly, or other specified data refresh cycles. And there you have it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully published and scheduled a workflow in Tableau. With practice, these tasks become second nature, offering you the power to share and manage data effectively and efficiently. Thank you for joining in, and happy visualizing!